When I asked people who have increased their productivity what worked for them, these are the three most important things which were consistent in every single of them. These three things are not theoretical, they are very practical, and you can implement these techniques and bring that productivity level in your life. The third one is most important, so make sure you watch the whole video. The first things, they fix their mornings. They get up at 5 and don't start to scroll the internet and social media. No. First they have a glass of water and they go out for short walk and then came back, have shower, have breakfast, and by 7 they are ready to work, fully energized. So this is the number one thing and you can implement it from tomorrow. The second thing, deep and focused work. They follow the 90-20 rule. What does it mean? It doesn't mean that you enjoy for 90 minutes and only work for 20 minutes. No, it is opposite. You work 90 minutes, very deep and very focused work. Put the phone away, keep it in silent mode, even you can turn it off. If you are not using it for your research or your work, just turn it off. And you must have a to-do list before you start working and pick a thing from that to-do list and just start working on it and complete it in 90 minutes. And then you have 20 minutes of rest or recovery. You can entertain yourself in those 20 minutes. You only need 3 of these sessions per day and you can achieve more in a one day than you used to achieve in 1 week. So it's worth the shot. And the third and most important thing is whatever needs to be done, you decide it one day before. So if you want to do something tomorrow, then decide it today, and every night before you go to sleep, just prepare your to-do list for the next day and short it down to only 3 most important tasks you must do tomorrow or the next day. And when you start those deep sessions, you pick one thing from this to-do list and just start working on it. Thank you so much for watching the video and make sure you implement these techniques from today.